A heartfelt welcome to everyone watching our video. I am Sharma from Mount Tajir School Beta, and today we are here in our robotics lab. Today we are here to learn how to assemble Mighty S3D. Mighty S3D is a miniature model of an aeroplane. It has 4 servos to control its control panels. It is made up of EPP, expanded polystyrene, which is a compressed form. It is made up of compressed form to sustain all type of impact. It is made up of compressed form to survive from every impact during the flying. Now let's move on and see which are the components which are going to use to assemble this Mighty S3D. First we will need a BLDC motor of 1400 kilowatts, a propeller mounter, a lithium polymer battery, receiver and a transmitter. We also require some of the tools like screwdriver set, LNT set and electronic speed controller. We will need Y connector to control both the aileron. And now let's move on how to assemble our Mighty BLDC motor, and we'll mount it here. Now we are going to add propeller. Before adding propeller, we have to add this mount here. And now insert this propeller. After adding the propeller, we have to tighten the nozzle. We have to tighten the mount with the help of Allen key. Now we have successfully connected the BLDC motor and the propeller to it. Now we are going to connect ESC, electronic speed controller, to the receiver. Now we are all set with the connections. If you want to see how to do connections and learn it, we will upload in the next video. We are all done with our connections. Now it's time to test it. To test it, I am calling my classmate Tanmay for the help. He's Tanmay, he is here. Now I am switching on the transmitter. Now it's time to test it. To test our Mighty S3D. So first we are going to test channel 1, which is aileron. This is the aileron. Now we are going to test it. As you can see, our channel 1 is working. So now we are moving toward the second channel, which is elevator. This is elevator. As you can see, our elevator is also working. So now we are moving to the third part, which is very important, our BLDC motor and the propeller. As you can see, it is generating the thrust. It is working properly. And now we are going to move on to the last channel, which is channel 4, the rudder. So our Mighty S3D is all set to take its first flight. Now we are moving to the ground to test it.
Start. Can I leave?
Yes.
खुद ही ऊपर जाएगा सीधा आने दो टर्न